Old-fashioned money, pounds, shillings and pence. New money, better money, is dollars and cents. Oh yes, it's time for Jamaica to get in line, 'cause new money's coming September 69.
Well, now, that's something I really like to sing about. Money. Like the song says, folks, in September 1969, we are taking another giant step forward by changing those old pounds, shillings, and pence to brand new, up-to-date Jamaican dollars and cents. And man, if there's anything I like better than old money, it's new money. Like me, I'm Dollar Bill.
Just how much is a dollar worth?
Why, one Jamaican dollar will buy the exact amount 10 of your old shillings will buy.
Of what?
Of anything at all. See? One Jamaican dollar, 10 shillings. See what I mean? Now, let's talk about cents. 50 cents will buy the exact amount 5 shillings will buy, right? 20 cents will buy the exact amount 2 shillings will buy. And 10 cents will buy what 1 shilling will buy.
What about the sixpence?
Oh, yes, the good old sixpence. Well, 5 cents will buy what a sixpence will buy.
I would like to have a closer look at our new money.
Well, I'm the Jamaican dollar, equal to?
I know. 10 shillings.
Right. And here's the 20-cent coin.
Equal to 2 shillings.
Right again. And here's the 10-cent coin, the 5-cent piece, and the 1-cent coin.
Well, they're all very attractive. But I'm so used to the old pound, shillings, and pence. What's going to happen to them in 1969?
Well, for a while, we will be using pounds, shillings, and pence, and the new Jamaican dollars and cents all together. Then, in about 1 year, the old money will disappear from circulation entirely.
The pound, too?
Yes, but don't worry. 2 Jamaican dollars will buy the exact amount your pound note would buy.
All right. Now I know what the new money is worth. And I have seen what the new money looks like. But why are we changing to new money?
Oh, well, there are many reasons. For instance, 99% of the countries of the world today use this new type of decimal currency.
So Jamaica will get in line in 69.
Correct. And what is more important, in our schools, children will learn money arithmetic much quicker.
And at an earlier age.
Right, because it's so very much easier to add with dollars and cents. With the old money, we used to add 3 different columns, pounds, shillings, and pence. And when the pence totaled more than 12, they had to be changed to shillings. And when the shillings added up to more than 20, they had to be changed to pounds.
And dollars and cents are easier?
Right again. Here is the same sum in dollars and cents. Here we go. 5 and 6 is 11. Write 1 and carry 1 to this column. 1 and 8 is 9, and 5 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1 over the decimal point. 1 and 3 is 4. It's as simple as that. Now, Let's see you do it.
Well, 5 and 6 is 11. Write 1 and carry 1 to this column. 1 and 8 is 9 and 5 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1 over the decimal point. 1 and 3 is 4.
See what I mean?
You know, it really is easier and faster too.
Well, that's why we are changing from the old pounds, shillings, and pence to our new Jamaican dollars and cents. Now, let's see how it works at the store. 1 pair of sandals, £1 10 shillings.
1 pair of sandals, $3.
1 small tin of sardines, 1 shilling and 2 pence.
1 small tin of sardines, 12 cents.
2 loaves of bread, 2 shillings.
2 loaves of bread, 20 cents.
1 hat, 19 shillings.
1 hat, $1.90.
Half dozen eggs, 2 shillings and 6 pence.
Half dozen eggs, 25 cents.
Ha! Just like I said. The only thing better than old money
Is new money.
correct. And with some new Jamaican dollars, I bought me this fine guitar to help me sing my favorite song. So, come on, everyone. This time, sing along with me.
Old-fashioned money, pounds, shillings and pence. New money, better money, is dollars and cents. Oh yes, it's time for Jamaica to get in line. 'Cause new money's coming September 69. It's time for Jamaica to move up ahead. So let's use dollars and cents instead. Oh yes, old-fashioned money, pounds, shillings and pence. New money, better money, is dollars and cents and dollars and.
Mr. Finicky. Sell me a cutlass, sir.
What price cutlass you want?
On the one you sell for 5 shillings, sir. But Mr. Finicky, you don't understand this. It's a 2 price on this machine here. 1 for 5 shillings and 1 for 50 cents. How that go?
You see, Jerry, from the 8th of September this year, we will change from pounds, shillings, and pence to dollars and cents.
Oh, that is a new decimal money I hear them talk about.
Yes, but in order to make a smooth changeover from LSD to this new money, everybody in Jamaica can legally use the LSD along with this new money for about a year after the 8th of September until the changeover is completed. Now, in order to help you and other customers to understand the new money, every article in this shop has a price tag showing the cost in pounds, shillings, and pence, and in dollars and cents. The price tag will also help you to decide whether the price is reasonable or not, as you can judge from the amount in pounds, shillings, and pence.
But Mr. Finnegan, how come you have this new setup already?
You see, Jerry, I want all my customers to understand this new money. You see that table over there? One like that will be put up in every shop and business place to show the amount in dollars and cents and in pounds, shillings, and pence.
Then, how are you going to know that this 5 shillings for this cutlass going value 50 cents in the new money.
That's easy, man. Look here. 10 cents equals 1 shilling. The cutlass costs 5 shillings. So you multiply 10 by 5, 50 cents.
As easy as that?
As easy as that.
I hope this film will assist all of us in Jamaica to understand a little better some of the problems involved in converting from the present LSD system to the decimal system. It should not, however, be difficult once we have got going for people to understand the new coinage. The fact of the matter is that 95% of the world's population use a decimal system for their currency. And the moral should be, if they can do it, so can we. There are just one or two other points I'd like to make. First of all, the conversion of machines is a very important part of the program. It is not one which affects the general population. There are people like shopkeepers and businessmen and farmers and so on who use business machines in their undertakings. They should pay strict attention to the circulars and advertisements which the decimal currency officer sent out, so that when the time comes, the machines which now work on the LSD system will be converted to the decimal system. Unless this is done, the businessman is going to find himself handicapped, because he'll be getting decimal currency and he will not be able to use his machines to write up his accounts and so on. We have a full program. We have tried to make it as easy as possible for the conversion of these machines, and if everyone follows out the information that we have given, then there should be no problem. To make it easier also for the man in the street to get familiar with the new coins, we are adopting the novel feature of introducing some of the decimal currency coins ahead of C-Day. And as from the 24th of March, the 10-cent coins will have been in circulation. They will be freely interchangeable with the 1 shilling coin. And this will enable people to relate 10 cents to 1 shilling. It is going to look like a shilling coin, feel like a shilling coin, weigh the same. Similarly, we will be having releases of the 5-cent coin, the 20-cent coins, and the 25-cent coins before C-Day. And their relevant equivalents will be appreciated when we use them interchangeably with all the other coins. The only coin which will not be released before C-Day will be the 1-cent coin. The reason for this is that the 1-cent coin does not have an exact equivalent in the present money. It is worth 1.2 pennies, so that we could not put it into circulation until C-Day. And it is also an opportunity for me to say again that we should not equate 1 cent with 1 penny. This could be a common mistake that we should try to avoid. Let me just repeat that the 1-cent coin is going to be worth more than 1 penny, and we should not confuse them or try to use them interchangeably.